Lock in those roof racks, book that lift kit and start hunting for your bed cover or canopy. The Toyota Hilux is here. Well, almost. Toyota decided to make us get all hot for the Hilux with a special virtual event, only to then not give us a price. Why? But that hasn't stopped us from getting a realistic estimate. Hang around because we'll get into it with the Zig Fast Forward. All you need to know without the nonsense. The Hilux is nothing short of a legend, finding favor with everyone from grocery store owners and overlanders to armies and the not so nice armed individuals whom those armies fight, largely because all of those lines of work demand reliability. The Hilux is a rare breed of car in India, the lifestyle pickup, joining its only other rival, the Isuzu V-Cross, and a segment that has included the Tata Xenon and Mahindra Scorpio Getaway. Here's what we know so far. It's going to be powered by petrol only. Psych. Relax, I'm kidding. The Hilux is the Fortuner's platform partner and gets the same 2.8-litre diesel engine that's good for a juicy 204 horsepower and up to 500 Newton meters. The base or standard model only gets a 6-speed manual transmission, while the top spec also gets an optional 6-speed automatic. And guess what? Toyota isn't mucking about. Or maybe they are, because irrespective of the version you get, 4x4 with a limited slip differential comes as standard. So whether you want an off-roader or just a gaiety mobile, the capability stays with you. And speaking of flexing, this thing is huge. You thought the Fortuner was long. This thing's over 500 millimeters longer. You could almost fit a Tata Nano just into its wheelbase. So better get a tape measure to make sure your garage is big enough. And don't be surprised if your friends suddenly start acting extra sweet with you when their rental agreement is about to expire and they need to move house because you've got a big bed. Loading bed, that is. Of course, while it is a twin-cab pickup, it won't seat 7 like the Fortuner. But you do get a similar safety suite that includes 7 airbags, stability control, hill descent control and ISOFIX. It's not a particularly loaded car for the price, which I promise I'm getting to. You can hit subscribe in the meantime. The features list includes LED headlights, 2 zones of climate control, passive keyless entry with push-button start, leatherette upholstery, an 8-inch touchscreen with auto and CarPlay, 6 speakers and drive modes that affect the powertrain and steering. So the price. Well, considering how the Hilux will come with 4x4 as standard and Toyota is likely to command a premium for it because they can, we expect ex-showroom prices to start around or above Rs 30 lakh. The actual price announcement is expected in March, with deliveries following shortly after.